Today I'm gonna show you the best technology life hacks, including the one on the thumbnail. Let's begin. Did you know that you can make your own homemade stylus and use it to write on the touchscreens? All you need is a piece of paper towel and a pen. Then wet the piece of the paper towel and let it dry a little bit. And finally, wrap the paper around the bottom of the pen. And that's it. Did you know that the charging brick has an extra purpose? You know that feeling when you plug in your phone and then don't know where to put it? Well, there's a solution. Just carefully place your phone on the charging brick as shown on the thumbnail and problem solved. Did you know that you can make your own phone holder? All you need is a phone and a wallet. Then, open the wallet in a F shape and finally, place the phone like shown on the picture. Yesterday, I made a short about this life hack. How to prevent laptop overheating with a simple life hack. First, find anything that can lift your laptop. And second, place it like this. Did you know that you can boot in the boot menu without knowing which key do you need to press on startup? Simply do this.